Hey folks, it's Abel. You're here at Norris Basin, the hottest basin in all of Yellowstone National Park. Down here, you're seeing a geyser. We've got fumaroles, mud pots, all sorts of different formations here. But watch your step, because if you step off the boardwalk here, there's a very good chance that you'll fall through the Earth's crust and be boiled alive, or dissolved in sulfuric acid or something like that. So watch out. And also watch for wildlife. Look for their tracks. They're all over this place. Fortunately, you can go where no human has gone before. Norris Basin is also home to Steamboat Geyser, the tallest geyser in the world, much higher than Old Faithful and some of the other holdouts. But it erupts very infrequently. It looked like it was going to erupt today. Last time it erupted was just a few days ago, but before that, it was many years. And so Steamboat is a particularly fascinating one because it started going off here in Yellowstone around the same time that Hawaii's Kilauea, as well as the Guatemalan volcano that unfortunately killed so many people, happened at the same time. Now, news reports came out right after that saying that these are in no way connected, and yes, they are geographically very far apart. But on Earth, I would hope at this point that you might realize that everything is connected. If you ever heard about that idea of the butterfly effect, a butterfly flapping its wings on one side of the world could cause a hurricane on the other, theoretically speaking. So remember, everything's connected. And for more, check out abeljames.com. We'll see you next time.